Hi, my dear students. Welcome to CSR Academy. Wish you happy New Year to all of my subscribers. Today we take SAQ problems in circles, part 6. Now we take first problem. Find the length of the chord intercepted by the circle x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 0 on the line y is equal to x minus 3. Here also we want length of the chord. This is the circle, this is the chord. Now first we find the center of the circle and the radius of the circle. Here we want D. D is the perpendicular distance from center to this line. So we take the solution. Given circle is x square plus y square minus x plus 3y minus 22 0. This is 1. 2g minus 1. 2f y coefficient 3, c minus 22. Center capital C, formula minus g minus f, sign changing by 2 of this 1 by 2. This is 3, sign changing minus 3 by 2. Radius r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c, that is equal to under root of 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus this one square is 9 by 4 minus or minus plus 22. This is equal to under root of 10 by 4 plus 22. This is equal to 10 plus take LCM 4 into 22, 88 by 4. This is equal to root 98 by 2. This is the radius. Given chord is y is equal to x minus 3. That is x minus y minus 3 0. This is 2. Now here we want D. D is equal to perpendicular distance from center. What is the center here? C, 1 by 2 comma minus 3 by 2 to line 2. This is equal formula mod of ax1 plus by1 plus cy under root a square plus b square, that is equal to mod of x in place of x 1 by 2 minus or minus plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by under root of a is 1, b is minus a square plus b square, that is equal to 4 by 2 mod of 2 minus 3 by root 2. Mod of minus 1 is 1 by root 2. Therefore, formula length of chord is equal to 2 into under root of r square minus d square. That is equal to 2 into under root of r square is 98 by 4 minus d is 1 by root 2. D square means 1 by 2. This is equal to 2 into under root of 98. 4 is LCM. So here is 2. So minus 2 by 4. 2 root 96 by 2. 2 cancel. Now root of 96 can be written as, that is equal to under root of 12 how many times? 12 into 6. 8, 12 into 8 అనమాట. That is equal to 4, 4. Right? 12 means 4 into 3 into 8 is 4 into 2. 4, 4. Under root of 4, 4 is 4 into root 6. That is the answer. See one more time. Given circle, first we find center, sign changing of x coefficient by 2, comma sign changing of y coefficient by 2, radius formula under root of g square plus f square minus c under root of 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4 minus or minus plus 22, 10 by 4 plus 22 under root. That means take LCM 10 plus 88 by 4 root 98 by 2. Root is only for numerator. Now given chord means this one. We want length of the chord is formula 2 into under root r square minus d square. Already we got r. We want d formula mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. In place of x we write 1 by 2. In place of y we write minus 3 by 2. This one is 1 plus 3, 4 by 2 means 2. Mod of 2 minus 3, that is mod of minus 1 is 1 by under root 2. Length of the chord formula. Same this model. We take next problem. Same model. We take this one also for this solution. Given circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Center C 0, 0. Radius R is equal to a. Given chord y is equal to mx plus c, that is mx minus y plus c 0. This is 2. Here the line intersect the circle at a and b. This AB length is given. AB is equal to length of chord. This is equal to 2 lambda. But first we take d. D is equal to mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root a square plus b square. That is the perpendicular distance from center to the line is d. This is equal to mod of center, here center is 0, 0. Mod of m into 0 minus 0 plus c by under root a is m square plus 1, c by under root m square plus 1. Therefore AB is equal to length of chord is equal to 2 into under root of r square minus d square. But here length of chord is 2 lambda. Both sides 2 cancel. That means r square minus d square is equal to lambda square. Here r value is a. So a square minus d square means this one square. C square by m square plus 1 is equal to lambda square. That implies take LCM. A square into m square plus 1 minus c square lambda square into m square plus 1. This implies here show that c square. So c square one side. A square minus lambda square into m square plus 1 is equal to c square. That is the solution. Hence proved. See one more time this problem. Given circle, for this circle center is 0, 0, radius is a, and given chord means AB is the chord. AB given chord is this one. y is equal to mx plus c. That means mx, write all one side. Mx minus y plus c 0. D is already there. D is the perpendicular distance from center to the line. Substitute point C is 0, 0. In place of x 0, in place of y 0. So mod C by under root m square plus 1. Now length of the chord 2b. AB is 2 lambda given. So 2 into under root r square minus d square మీకు తెలుసు కదా. లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద కార్డ్ ఫార్ములా అక్కడ కూడా చెప్పాం. సో బోత్ సైడ్స్ 2 క్యాన్సిల్ చేసాం. స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ బోత్ సైడ్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ డి స్క్వేర్ లాంబ్డా స్క్వేర్ రాయాలి. ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ అంటే ఆర్ వాల్యూ ఏ, డి వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చాడు. స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే సి స్క్వేర్ బై రూట్ పోతుంది కదా ఎం స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ లాంబ్డా స్క్వేర్. మనకేం కావాలి? సి స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ అన్నాడు. టేక్ ఎల్సిఎం ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ ఎం స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 మైనస్ సి స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు lambda square and m square plus 1. We want c square one side, remaining other side. In the both m square plus 1 common, a square minus lambda square into m square plus 1 is equal to c square. This is the solution.